Hi there, folks. Welcome to the Luggage Lab. As always, I'm your host, Dave. Today, we're going to be talking about two things. First off, the Briggs Riley ZDX line has been relaunched. They've made a couple of changes on these bags that we're going to take a quick peek at. And secondly, and most excitingly, they've introduced a new color. No longer are we limited to black, blue, and green. We now have Canyon. Very sharp looking bags here. It's kind of a salmon coral kind of thing. So anyways, we think these are pretty sharp. One of the most important changes that they've made on their new bags is they are now including a little RFID shielded pocket inside both the carry-on size and underseat bag. That's a nice little addition that they've made. Outside of that, there are a lot of similarities to the older ZDX lines. We've got oversized YKK zippers on the main zipper here. We've still got the great Hinomoto wheels on these. Fantastic stuff. The external pull handle. This is a hallmark of what Briggs & Riley is kind of known for. Gives us a flat packing surface on the inside of the bag. It's a little bit over-engineered out here, so really heavy duty, very, very durable, wonderful there. The touch points, as always on Briggs & Riley, very, very comfortable to grab onto this and be able to put it up in the overhead bin. Yeah, just basically same old stuff that we expect from Briggs & Riley in terms of super excellent quality, super excellent warranty, now with a couple of very neat little upgrades and a great new color. If you enjoy the content that you see, head on over to Liebers.com, where we have everything but the trip.